Hi, I'm Ron with Willie's Marine. This is my wife, Cheryl, our dog, Ellie, and we have Becca doing the camera work and all the marketing for us. And we're here today just kind of show you guys what's going on with canopies and putting it on your lift. We know it's always kind of a stressful situation in the fall. Are we going to fold it up like we took it out of the box? Are we just going to put it in a ball and throw it in the shed? Are we going to fold it up the way we've always folded it up? Well, we found at Willie's Marine, and we do hundreds and hundreds of these a year, kind of an easier way to put or fold your canopy in the fall and then put it back on in the spring to make it a little less stressful and more family friendly. So are you ready to start? I am. All right. So basically it comes off the lift like this in a giant ball. And what you want to do is you want to stretch it out so it's face down. Corner to corner, so almost like it's on the lift. Go this side. Stretch it out as far as you can there, honey. Get that perfect. And then you want to take your ends and fold those in. Now keep in mind, it doesn't have to be perfect as long as you have the general type. And then both of you get on one side and you will just want to flip this ruffled edge piece just right over the edge here. Now you want to together fold, keep it tight, maybe 2 for sure, possibly 3 depending on the width. So 1, 2, 3. A little bit wider, honey. 1, 2, 3. Again, a little bit lighter. And 1, 2, 3. All right, nice. Now you go to the other side. And we've already got this flipped up a little bit. So we got our clip showing. And the same thing, a little bit wider, honey. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we'll just adjust these. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to take this one and fold it on top of this one. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, you want to go in about 2 to 3 foot sections and fold it from one end. And then you're going to squeeze the air out as you go. And you want to fold this on top of this one. It may not fit in the bag that you bought it in, but it's pretty darn close. Okay, so we're on our boat. We're going to put our canopy on our lift here. Good idea, if you've got a bimini, lift that up so you don't have to shimmy underneath it or climb over it or do any gymnastics. Some lifts, we're fortunate here, our lift fits our boat very well. If you have a lift where maybe might be a little bit longer than your boat, you may have to bring your boat back a little bit, lift it, get one end down, lower it, pull your boat forward, and get your front of your canopy on too. You'll know that obviously with your boat and how you put that on and if it fits or not. Now that you take your folded canopy that you did so well in the fall and all ready to go, let's do the opposite. So now you want to put your canopy up on top. And honey, you want to come around to the back side, please? And try to keep it in the middle there. And we got a little breeze from the north. It'll be the northeast today, so it's a good point. It's not always calm when you're putting on your canopy on your lift. If we got a breeze like this, northeast, we're going to put that northeast corner on, try to get that secured first. If we were to try to put the other side on, this whole canopy is going to flip over on the dock. So you want to secure the wind side first. You can see where the edge of this canopy is, and we were not quite in the middle. So we're going to move it down here. And now we're going to start folding it out to either side. We talked about putting this northeast corner on first. We'll go to the other side. And I like to secure, especially if it's windy, you want to secure one of your Velcro nooses lightly. You don't want to get it too tight, because if that front corner isn't stretching over, you want just a little bit of leeway so you can get that stretch. Once you're all the way on, then you can secure them tight. So now that we got the two back corners on, we're going to do the rest of the boat. So I'm going to start pulling on this side. Over this side. As you can see, we're a little bit tight on this corner, but we left a little leeway on that end, so we should be able to get this thing snugged over. Sometimes it takes a little bit of muscle. And we are fortunate here that we have a dock we can stand off on. Give that a final tug. So, looks like we're lined up pretty well, both front and back. This back corner needs a little bit of adjustment. At this point, we're just going to Velcro our straps, do our stretchy bungees on the side, and call it a season. I'm sweating and breathing hard. Hope this makes things a little bit easier for you guys. Thanks for being Willie's customers. Come and visit us for your sales and service and all your fun needs, and have a great summer on the lake. Take care.